To DJ's Pressing Sports. We've just acquired this lovely top of the range Ford Focus diesel Titanium X with full service history. Just going to be having a new fresh MOT, and as you can see it's finishing beautiful gunmetal grey. Front park distance control. The light isn't flashing, that's just the shutter speed on the camera. It's got the appearance pack alloys, absolute popping paintwork. Privacy glass to the rear park distance control, so that'll mean it'll have Parktronic as well. Very sunny today, look at that, absolutely stunning paintwork, really is in lovely condition. To the rear, boot area is in lovely condition, got the rear parcel shelf. Being the Titanium X, it has the half leather interior with the white stitch piping. Again is in absolutely lovely condition, very classy looking car, the colour combination. Full electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. Done 70,476, and like I say, it's got full service history. It's got 2 keys, it's got cruise control, automatic headlights, USB, climate control, 3-stage heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, on a centre armrest. Got the sync entertainment system, it's got DAB stereo, sat nav's just loading up there as well. I did say cruise control, didn't I? It's just got everything this car has, lovely, absolutely lovely condition. There's your Parktronic. Parks the car. Park distance control. Let's get that off. So you get your satellite navigation there. Media pack with DAB, Bluetooth phone connectivity. At DJH, or full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.